On December 28, 1956, 15 years old Barbara and 13 years old Patricia Grimes left their home in Chicago for a night at the movies. After seeing Love Me Tender, they began their walk home, but they never made it. Hours later, their parents grew worried and called the police. Despite the search, there was no sign of the sisters. Their case quickly captured national attention, but what happened to the Grimm sister was beyond chilling. 2 months later, in January 1957, a devastating discovery was made. The bodies of Barbara and Patricia were found in a remote area in Cook County, Illinois. The girls had been brutally murdered, their bodies showing signs of physical abuse. To this day, the case remains unsolved. The Grimm sister murder is one of the Chicago's most haunting mysteries. Could it have been the work of the serial killer? No one knows for sure. Their case raised more questions than answers, and the mystery surrounding their deaths still haunts the city. Who took the lives of these innocent girls and why? Please like and subscribe for more chilling true crime stories.